Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your University of Tampa. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in MyUTampa, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as ut.edu. In my case, it's the first one. And now we are in the official website of the University of Tampa. To log in, tap on Login to MyUTampa button. And here you need to provide your username and password to log into your account. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for username. Then type your password in the text field given for password. You can check this box that says remember me so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on the sign in button and you'll be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I will get right back to you.